Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Second presentation, very important part, Google AdWord Keyword Planner. Google AdWord Keyword Planner. AdWord Keyword Planner update apps and the bring in out of increase in users. The latest version features a STEM and work full and result design, updating new AdWord Google Apps enrolling the AdWord Keywords Planner, a new AdWord infection. The workflow is a keyword planner, meets in state and getting and Google Meta Design Matter and new AdWords in place. The best including the new option, image and apps and start search and high multi links, great matters and focus on your keywords. Keywords idea number one, Google AdWords Keywords Planner. Number one, keywords idea. The keywords idea chat in a new keyword planner shows total monthly search volume like the old version, but also show mobile search volume in the main chat. Mobile search volume only able to from the search volume trained on Dropper. However, the able to seen ad impression share campaign to competitive and market lead domain into able from this search volume trained Dropper new keyword planner top file negative navigator and keywords already increase an account each and click field. There are two mention able of keyword idea. Use can now see organic impression share on organic able positive and keywords. Site rank then and engage details able to see the data the AdWord and see console account needed to link this and converts into keyword ideas reports. Forecasting. In the process forecasting, select two tools. The old version required use the set being forecasting and use and adjust and slide in the case chat to see how will change after the programs matters the shows below. A new forecast selection immediately shows total instant performance spec including max CPC from the keyword. There are an option a play bid settings by click and PPC. It not clears website and those planner this point may be set account will and Google from comment will update and get response. It will take a big great use a broad over bench change do same improvement old keyword planner which is because combine the navigated. The reality story is Google search notification and now search engine land, Google business profile, Google super various ad, performance max, related traffics, Google oil provide more targeted ads, data and campaign using the chat GTB more the Google PPC, Google store trading, Google response, Google relation, Google search app, Google sending notification. The AdWord Key Planner. Google Keyword Planner, sign in, discover a keyword planner, learn how to use How to search in Google address bar. Add AdWord Keyword Planner. You can provide Google Keyword Planner tools. Just sign in Google account. Create a Google account. You build details. Discovery Planner. Learn use Google Ad. What are discovery ad? How much does it cost? Find your campaign keyword. Use Google Keyword Planner help the research keyword from your search campaign. You can use these free tools to discover new keyword related and business as the stem and search, receive and the cost target them. The Google Ads Keyword Planner tools is useful response for building strong keyword list and helping get your PPC campaign often running start a few to use after when Google Ads into generate Google ideas, stand and plan and your market strategy. Discovery, find new keywords, search word and products, search analytic keyword and stem, get bin stem, plan, make your plan. Campaign keyword with planner. Keyword Planner is a free tool, but there are catch. In order to use the Google Keyword Planner, you needed to have Google Ad account. Just follow form and sign up. Search in Google. How to use Google Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner to help research keyword for search campaign. You can use the free tool discover new keyword result related to your business and see stand on search their receive cost targeted them. Keyword Planner also provide another OS search catch create search campaign that contain around discussed keyword research. It is the chosen keyword planner then grow out and for successfully campaign. The benefit, discover new keywords, great suggestion keyword related to your product, service, website, see monthly search, see establishing numbers and keyword great monthly search, determine cost, see average cost of your ad search and for keyword, organize keyword, see your keyword effort on creating relation and brand, keyword a new campaign, use the new campaign plan, create campaign, create in your discrete search engine, search result, keyword might be planner and can be provided use keyword targeting campaign platforms depends and over various forecast. For example, your bid budget, product and customer brand in your industry can you all influencer success you can campaign. To access your keyword planner, your account must be using expert mode, smart mode. Create a keyword planner, one of open keyword planner, then the two or create a keyword planner. Number one, search for new keyword by clicking discover new keyword and upload extract keyword and get volume keyword process, discover keyword, understand keyword process, send in feedback. Google Keyword Planner is a keyword research tool average in but that can also use the find for search engine optimization can use source you to know how campaign is targeting. The great access to Google Keyword. Get access in Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner free. All you need to Google Ads account and to say sign up and Google Ads google.com. Click start now, that sign in and Google account. New campaign, let's go the start on your business name and switch your mode. Create your first campaign in first name, add your business information, create your campaign goal, create your first goal, your billing address, time, June, currency, contain your drone, overall billing setup, meta chain, block action, share library, planning, keyword planner. Discover new keyword if you want to see search volume and meta extend keyword. Great search volume and forecast. Others click discover new keyword to find new keyword ideas. Start with ideas. The 10 words and phrase relation your business. Start with the website, web page, and you will choose the when you keyword suggest. Keyword planner, that is great related, and search engine, organic search engine is keyword, SEO copywriting, Shopify SEO, keyword Shopify. Look for the best keyword idea. There are best keyword grazing, whiting, off-whiting, etc. etc. Referred keyword. Unlimited keyword planner. Keyword planner is a very important over keyword planner and the extend number search engine optimizer. Who said Google, YouTube, Amazon, eBay, and state search. Keyword planner use the Google, YouTube, eBay, instant search, keyword and search. Thank you, friends. Google AdWord Keyword Planner details some information. AdWord keyword ideas and forecasting, very important two part, keyword ideas and forecasting. Thank you, best of luck.